Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change location in the Badoo application. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. And right here is the Badoo application. To change the location in our Badoo application, what you need to do is simply turn off the GPS or location in your mobile device. I'm gonna do it right now. Right here is the location. I'm simply gonna disable it. I'm gonna click on location right now. And as you can see, location has been disabled. Once you disable the location, what you need to do is restart the application. I'm gonna restart it right now. Well, I have restarted the application. Now what we need to do is simply go to profile. The button's at the bottom right. Simply click on it. Then your profile page will open up. At the top right, you will see a gear-like icon. That is settings. Simply click on it. And from here, let's go to basic info. It's the button at the top. I'm going to click on it right now. Well, right here, you're going to see something like name, birthday, gender and current location. Simply click on current location and then simply enter the city of your choice. I'm going to enter it right now. Well, from here, as you can see, I have typed the location. I'm simply going to select it. And guys, there you go. Our location is being changed. And guys, that's it. As you can see, our current location has been changed. Well guys, that's how you change location in the Badoo application. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.